How to use Google Pay rewards feature in 2026. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can use Google Pay rewards feature in 2026. Well, to use Google Pay rewards, open up the app first, the Google Pay. Now, I'm not able to open up the app and I'm using iOS device here as well, so I'm on the web. But open up the app and what you want to do is you can tap on the promotions or reward sections from the hamburger icon that you should find if you have set it up. Once you have set it up, you should find it. You want to head into it. Then what you can do is once you have set it up, you'll find a scratch virtual cards or claim cashback offers. Read the terms for minimum spend requirements, then tap collect or redeem to apply the funds directly to your linked bank. Now first you'll have to make eligible transactions. Earn cashbacks or scratch cards by paying bills, recharging your mobile, or scanning QR codes at supported merchant stores. Similarly, share your unique referral link or code with friends. When they install the app and complete the first transaction using your link, both of you will receive cash reward as well. Similarly, check the offers tab to activate special merchant deals. Shopping at the specific brands using Google Pay will unlock discounts or statement credits as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.